If you're planning to start a business in Georgia, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Georgia even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Georgia? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your home, savings, and personal property are shielded from business debts and legal liabilities, giving you peace of mind as you grow your business. And of course, you have tax benefits. Georgia offers a business-friendly tax environment that can help reduce your overall tax burden. And of course, you have a streamlined process. The filing process is straightforward, costs are relatively low, and approvals are typically quick. And then you have flexible structure. Now, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or building a growing team, this structure adapts to your needs, making it ideal for startups and small businesses alike. Now, the next thing is we need to choose a name for your Georgia LLC. Now, you need to understand that your LLC name must be unique in Georgia, including Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.L.C. Now, to check the availability, you need to go to the Georgia Secretary of State Business Search, type in your desired business name. Now, if no matching results appear, the name is available and good to go. It's also smart to check a few name options just in case your first option is taken. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Now, a registered agent is required for every Georgia LLC. They should have a physical address in Georgia, must be available during normal business hours because they receive the legal and state documents on behalf of your LLC. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that provided that you meet all the legal state requirements. Or if you want, you can have a trusted individual or a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent is great for privacy and convenience because they handle all of the paperwork for you. More of that later in this video. Now, the official step that creates your LLC is by preparing and filing the Articles of Organization. Now, you have two options. You can do it by mail or by going to the website of Georgia Secretary of State. Now, all I have to do is provide the LLC name, registered agent name and address, your name and email address. There is going to be a filing fee of $100, which takes around usually 7 to 10 business days online. Now, once approved, your LLC is officially formed. Now, let's talk about internal governance, and one of the most important documents for your LLC is the operating agreement. Now, in Georgia, an operating agreement is not legally required, but it's highly recommended if you want to protect your business and avoid problems down the road, because it clearly lays out who owns what in the company, how the LLC is managed, and the specific roles and responsibilities of each member. It also explains how decisions are made and what happens if disagreements come up. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now that your LLC is officially formed, it's time to stay compliant with the Georgia state requirements. Now, first of all, you need to register for the state taxes, and this step ensures your business is properly set up for state tax obligations. You just have to go to the Georgia Department of Revenue via the Georgia Tax Center. And then after that is checking any business license requirements. Now, it depends really on your industry and where your business is located. You may need specific state, county, or city licenses. So be sure to verify local regulations so you don't miss any required permits. And of course, you want to make sure that you understand the Georgia's unique tax system, often compared to the Estonian model. In Georgia, your LLC is only taxed when profits are distributed. Okay, so this structure can be a major advantage for businesses that plan to reinvest earnings. Now, once these steps are completed, your LLC will be fully compliant and ready to operate smoothly in Georgia. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Georgia. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. Now, this is the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation. It displays the state where you are forming your LLC and the total cost before payment. So think of it as your checkout overview. Now we go to the Company tab. This collects the basic details of your business, like your LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, and your business purpose. If you want to use a generic business purpose, you can do that. And then, of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the next is going to be the Management tab. This is where you define how your LLC is run. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you run the business, or a manager manage, which means you hire a manager that will run the business for you. If you are not sure what to choose, just click the question mark button here, because this helps you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you want to add any members or managers, just click the Add Member. Northwest keeps this private where allowed. And then we have the Contact tab. This is going to be your personal contact information. Provide your name, phone number, and of course, Northwest uses this to send filing updates, notify you of legal documents, and give you account access. Don't worry, because this information is not made public. And then you have the Account tab. This creates your Northwest online dashboard. Provide an email address, set a password, and confirm login details. Once you set it up, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, and view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, the Business Identity is an add-on service that helps you establish your LLC's official identity, which gives you a free 90-day trial. Now, if you want to give more or ask more optional items and add-on services, you can choose from any of the following options. Now, you can safely skip all these if you prefer to handle them yourself. Last is going to be the payment method. To complete your order, provide your credit card or debit card details, review the total costs, and of course, a final confirmation before submissions. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Georgia, which is simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly. With a low filing fee, fast online processing, and minimal ongoing requirements, Georgia is a solid choice for entrepreneurs and small business owners. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.